Hi guys, so today in this video I will tell you how to write a JavaScript program to check the palindrome string or number. So we have to write functions in this. So first of all I will write a built-in function program and then we will write our own function. So let us start. HTML head tag, then title palindrome check in JavaScript, then body tag. So script tag because I'm gonna write JavaScript inside this, and you can write script tag inside head or body, or you can externally write it and then insert it by using script type equals to text to JavaScript and src equals to your file name .js. So I have written this comment checking the palindrome by built-in functions, and in script tag you can write comments after double slash. So now I'm gonna write the function, then function name as CheckPal, then let us give the parameter as a user string so that the user might input it from the prompt. We will insert the string from the prompt box. So const array elements, let me write array temp, which will be equal to user string dot split, so that that string will be converted into an array. So split and having space as the separator over here. There is an inbuilt function of reverse, so I'm gonna write const reverse array temp. So ref array temp equals to array temp dot reverse, so that the array elements are reversed. So function and then semicolon. Now I have to make that array into a string. So const reverse string equals to reverse array temp dot join. First of all we did split, and then now we are doing join. Split was to string to array and join is to convert array to string. Semicolon. So let me write the comments over here. So string to array, this one was to reverse the string array, so reversing the array. Now this was array to string, so array to string. So now we have to check the condition that reverse string and the user string are same or not. So if user string double equals to reverse string, so using double equals to for comparison. So user string that we got as parameter in the function, and reverse string that we converted the reverse array into a string. So if it is equal to, then alert, it is a palindrome, otherwise it is not a palindrome. So I'm gonna write in else part alert, it is not a palindrome. So else close and then function close. Now I'm gonna give a prompt box to the user to enter the string, and gonna save that value into user string. So const user string equals to prompt enter the string. Semicolon, and I'm gonna call the checkpal function, which is having user string as parameter that we got as an input from the user. So I'm gonna write user string, then semicolon. Now we have to close the script tag. So script close. We have to close the body and HTML too. So body and HTML. Now let us save this file. So save it as whatever name you like, and then extension as .html. So I'm gonna write check palindrome .html. So save. Let me write the comment here as function calling. So function calling. Now let us run the file. So here click on this HTML file, enter the string. So 1 to 1, it is a palindrome. Okay, another string. Okay, I have written this as comment, but it is showing over here, so I will remove it later. First of all, making this function as in comment, because I'm gonna write another function and I'm not gonna use inbuilt functions inside it of reverse elements, split and join. So now let's write a function and check palindrome. Check palindrome using for loop and if statements. So now function, let me write the name same as before, so CheckPal, and then I'm gonna write parameter as string1. Okay, so bracket open, const length equals to string1 dot length, so that I'll be getting the length of the string that was passed inside the function. So string1 dot length, so I'm gonna write for let I equals to 0, I less than length by 2, because I'm gonna check the first half as left to right and the other half as from reverse. So let's start. If string1 that was passed inside the function, so string1 of I is not equal to string1 of length minus 1 minus I, means from the last the same element as that of from the front. So not equal to string of 1 of length minus 1 minus I. So if they are not equal, so it will not be a palindrome. So I'm gonna write alert, it is not a palindrome. Not a palindrome. And if they are equal, then they would be a palindrome. So in else part, I'm gonna write alert, alert, it is a palindrome. It is a palindrome. Palindrome. Okay. So now I have to close the else. Then I will close the for. And then I will close the function. So now it's gonna like input the string, call the function, go inside the function, check for it, and then return if it is a palindrome or not. So if you are having any doubts inside this condition, then let me explain with an example. So let us take MAM, M-A-M. It is a palindrome. So its array elements would be 0, 1, 2. So 0th and L minus 1 minus 0, that is 3 minus 1, that is of second location, means 0, 1, 2, 2 is of second location. So 0th element and second element is gonna be checked. So 0 and 2, that is M and M are gonna compare and it is gonna return true because MAM in reverse is also MAM. So let me write this over here, that is 3 minus 1. So location 2, that is the another M, is gonna be compared or checked with 0th element, that is a first M. Okay, what if there are 4 length in this. So we have already done string of odd length. So let us change this. Let us change this to MAAM, so that we'll be getting an even number of length. So length would be 4. So in first loop, 0th element, that is M, and third element, that is M, is gonna be compared. And in the second loop, which elements are gonna be compared? The first element and the second element, that is A and A. So it is gonna be returning true because both of these statements are true, and it will give alert as it is a palindrome. Now let me just remove the script tag from above that previous function. So I'm gonna remove this one. If script tag is not returned, then double slashes is gonna give me a print over on the web page. Let me remove that later. So first of all, let us run this. Okay, so enter the string 1 to 1. It is not a palindrome, it is a palindrome. This is giving me an error, so let me check about it. So where have I made a mistake? String 1 of, here I wrote 1 in place of I, so that made this an logical error, that made this not give me the correct output. So let us save this, run this program. Okay, enter the string. Let us write 1 to 1, it is a palindrome. Okay, done. Now let us check for another one. So enter the string. Come on. It is not a palindrome, it is a palindrome. It's not a palindrome, it is a palindrome. So first of all, let us remove the comments. So we moved the script tag from above to below, so I'm gonna write HTML comments over here because it is outside script now. So above this also, checking the palindrome, this also, less than, exclamatory mark, hyphen hyphen, then hyphen hyphen, greater than symbol. Okay, so now this would be enough for resolving the issue. Enter the string 12, it is not a palindrome. Okay, so here is the correct output now. Now let us check for a correct palindrome number. So you can write anything. It is a palindrome. Okay. So thank you guys for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if you are having any doubts.